Okay, we're gonna remove the fire control group on a XCR. This is a 5/64 Allen wrench right here. This is a 5/32 Allen wrench right here. The first thing we need to do is remove the ambi safety while the grip and everything is on. The detent is gonna hold this in place while you remove it. You might have to heat this up to get yours off because there's often Loctite in there. Secondly, we're going to remove this cotter pin for the hammer. You can use your Allen wrench to pop it out. Secondly, we're going to push the hammer retaining pin through, and then the hammer can come out. And you can pull your grip off with the 5/32 Allen wrench. Now there is a spring and a detent inside here, so be careful when you take the grip off. There's your spring, and there's the detent right inside of there. And your safety can come out. Now you can push the trigger and disconnect access pin through the lower. Again, there's springs in these, so be careful. There's your disconnect with the spring attached. And there's your trigger and the spring.